am going to introduce vTech Safe and Sound model BM5000. So this is the baby unit, and this is the parents unit, adapter, sensor, spacer, double-sided tape, and also a user manual. Okay, let's do some setting in the parents unit. Set the date and time, and the temperature range that you prefer. So the minimum from 11 degree to 20 degree, and the maximum from 25 to 30 degree. Then save it. And now it's the baby unit's turn. So press the middle button for lullaby. Press the same button for projector. And you can actually adjust the volume by pressing up or down. I off the light for a better view. Now we move on to the sensor. You can actually test the sensor to see if it's functioning or not. Now you can tape it on the door, and when the door is open, you will receive a signal. You will receive a signal too if the temperature is out of the range. Thank you for watching.